Keeping your records up to date is faster when you import your bank transactions in one go. With Sage Sole Trader, you can upload a bank statement file and have your transactions ready to review in just a few steps. Before you start, ensure you have downloaded your bank statement from your online banking service. Supported formats include CSV, Excel, and standard bank files like OFX or QIF files. To get started, go to Banking, find the account you want to update, and select Actions. Then, Import from Bank Statement. Check the account chosen is the account you'd like to import transactions into. Then, click Next. You can drag and drop your file, or to browse to the file on your device, click here. If you'd like to read more about this process, click here. To continue, click Review Transactions. You'll be asked to confirm the date format used in your file, so Sage can process the transactions accurately. Choose the correct format and click Continue.
Here you will see a list of the transactions that will be imported from the file.
Check the Type column. Positive values should be showing as money in and negative ones as money out. If it's incorrect, switch it here. Remember, you may have several pages to check. Once you're happy, click Confirm Import. Your transactions are then added and appear as draft transactions, ready for you to review, categorize, and save.
However, if you have auto-categorization turned on, transactions will be categorized automatically if Copilot is confident about the transaction category. If you've previously imported a statement for this account, you can speed things up by importing without review or update your import settings if the file format changes.
Importing bank statements helps you reduce manual entry, avoid human error, and keep your records accurate.